I know I said it once, but I'm going to say it again right after my intro. What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. Dixwell Ave, and I'm back with another one. Yeah, y'all. Let's get right into this shit. But before we do that, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't never miss anything, all right? And if you're not signed up to my Patreon, make sure you sign up to my Patreon so you will have exclusive access to what type of vendors I use, what type of manufacturers I use, where I get my supplies from, so on and so forth, and where I can help you, build up your brand on a more personal level. All right, y'all, so peep game. Yo, I know I said this before, y'all, but watch out for these manufacturers, man. A lot of these manufacturers, they snakes, they grimies, they hustlers. They just trying to get your bread, man. And I'm just going to keep it a buck. I said this shit before. The majority of the time, man, these cats come from Pakistan, man. I'm just going to keep it a buck. China's been fairly, good and, easy to deal with and work with per se. But these motherfuckers from Pakistan, man, they're a headache. All right, now, I say all that to say this, yo, you just got to do your due diligence and make sure, you don't get got out here. All right. Now, I've never been got, but shaky, annoying ass manufacturers drive me crazy. All right. Yo, I literally recently had to block a manufacturer, yo. It was like a broad, like, fellas, when you got a broad that she just keep calling and nagging you, like, yo, chill, I'm not trying to rock with you, I'm not trying to deal with you right now. But she just keep pressing and pursuing you till you just be like, yo, I gotta block shorty. Yo, I literally felt like, yo, I had to block this manufacturer. And peep game, yo, they created another account. And hollered at me. You know what I'm saying? They going on my social media. They hounding me on my social media. They stealing my posts and sending them to me. And it's like, it's wild annoying, yo. So just be wary, pay attention and do your due diligence when you're working with these manufacturers. Don't be so quick to go with, the first manufacturer that holler at you, because they're going to be all up in your DMs hitting you with the, hey, hello, what's going on? Have a good day. What's up, my brother? My brother. It's always this my brother shit, man. Knock that shit the fuck off, man. That shit is lame. You know what I'm saying? But if you feel like a manufacturer is just hounding you and they're in your DMs too much, they send you too many messages or whatnot, it's probably because they're not getting a lot of work. All right? Because manufacturers that are real busy, that's pumping out hundreds of thousands of orders, they don't got time to be stalking you or haunting you. You know what I'm saying? So I chalked that up to this, specific manufacturer, because that was the first time that ever happened to me. Like, yo, why you really on me like this? You ain't getting a lot of business or something? Like, you sweating me, yo. You clingy. You like a clingy broad. It's crazy. You know what I'm saying? So just be mindful of that, all right? And be mindful of the ones, too, that just, what they do is, right, they go around and they're stealing other people's pictures, and they're all sharing the same images of these cheesy ass, outfits, these goddamn spandex, or these goddamn zip up hoodies with all this, puff vinyl print all over the place, and they're asking you, yeah, you do streetwear, you want streetwear this, you want streetwear that, I make this, I make that, yo. If you got that much time on your hands that you just constantly in people's DMs, you sending out all this bullshit, you must not have a lot of work. All right, because then on the other side, there's been times when, you know, I've dealt with manufacturers, and it's like, damn, they so busy it take them a minute to actually get back to me because they busy. You know, they pumping out volumes of products on a daily basis. So me trying to get a sample, you know, made, you know, could take me a little while for them to get back to me and pretty much complete my order because they're actually busy. I respect that more than somebody that's hounding me all the time. You know what I'm saying? But now comparing, you know, the Pakistan manufacturers to the China manufacturers, I'm just going to keep it a buck. Shipping wise, Pakistan, their shipping is definitely faster for whatever reason. Getting your product back from a manufacturer from China could take you, you know, a lot longer, and production as well. So, and the cost might, you know, be a substantial amount more than those that are in Pakistan. But at the end of the day, man, it's up to you. It's your choice. It's your money. You know what I'm saying? I'm just telling you the experience that I had, you know, with these specific manufacturers. You know, you hear all this bullshit talk about, oh yeah, motherfuckers is gatekeeping, they don't want to tell you who they using, blase this, blase that. Because at the end of the day, man, like, you choose your own path. You see how I threw that in there? Choose your own path. Yeah, so at the end of the day, you make your own decision pertaining to what manufacturers you want to go with. All right, who I'm using might not work for you. And you might not have the type of money that I'm working with. So on and so forth. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so just be mindful of who you working with and pay attention to the signs, man. Pay attention to those signs. All the clingy, you know, they hitting you up all the times, weird hours of the day, and it's just, you know, driving you crazy. But on another note, you know, salute to y'all. A lot of y'all been in my DMs. Let me tell y'all what I respect and what I love. Salute to y'all. I love the people that come through and they hit me up and they say, yo, Mr. DCYOP, man, I appreciate what you've been doing. I love you, man. Because of you was the reason why I was able to start my brand and so on and so forth. I appreciate those type of DMs. You know what I'm saying? Opposed to the other people that be in the DMs just coming through, you know, begging for something, and it's just like, yo, go work on, you know, your brand and stop trying to come through here, waste my time, you know, crying about information and so on and so forth. All right, I feel like over the years I dumped a whole lot of information on y'all. So if you're looking for something, all you gotta do is go through my channel, watch my videos, and more than likely you're gonna find the answer to what you're looking for. All right, none of this shit is overnight success, people. All right, it's gonna take you a while to get to where you actually want to be. All right, now I got one individual that I've been working with as of recently. Good dude, my man. I put him on, you know, just out of the blue one day. You know, he was just picking my brain. I told him to follow my my YouTube page. He did that. He did his due diligence. Now he got his brand up and running, and it's he's doing good for himself. But with that being said too, he's passionate about his brand, you know, and he puts a lot into it. You know, he's going around. He's not sitting on anything. And the weird thing is, the crazy thing is, he doesn't even have a website yet. But I see him, his hand-to-hand business and his gift of gab is impeccable. You know, as long as you got that, I'm trying to tell you guys, you can make some bread out here. All right, so, but he's in the process of, you know, building up his website. And once he does, I'll come on my platform and shout him out, because that's what you're supposed to do at the end of the day. All right, and I'll also come on here, you know, and wear some of his product and represent his brand as well. All right, the name of it is Life Purpose. All right, so be on the lookout for that brand, Life Purpose. It's pretty popping. But that's pretty much it for this one, y'all. Like I said, y'all know what y'all got to do. Make sure I hit that thumbs up. Make sure I hit that bell notification. And you better be working hard on your brand, because I'm working hard on mine, all right? And I got some more hoodies dropping soon, so be on the lookout for those, all right? Restricted, baby. Restricted. Restrict us from negativity. Restrict us from all the nonsense, because we don't got time for the BS. Let's get it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.